Motorin 4x4 built this beast with proven modifications designed to handle the harshest terrain. At Motorin 4x4, the build process was all business. The old suspension was completely stripped out, and every bushing was replaced with new, high-quality components. It may be a 35-year-old car, but it now feels like a 35-year-old brand new car. Additional upgrades included a heavy-duty differential skid plate and a front skid plate to protect the steering components and oil pan.